Tim Hortons Smile Cookie campaign. It is back for its 30th year. Every dollar raised stays local. And here with more is the Executive Director of Food for Kids Hamilton, Cathy, and Chief Executive Officer for Hamilton Food Share, Radhika. What is the Smile Cookie campaign all about?
It's about bringing our community together in the most fun and delicious way. It's about engaging volunteers to be decorating these amazing cookies all over the community. And for us, it is about feeding 1,825 kids every weekend that are in our program.
Wow. That is really something else. And every year we have so much fun contributing, doing smile cookies. Simone Lawrence, I know you're out there and I know you're watching and you cheat every time. Him and I had that competition and he won, but he cheated. So we're going to be decorating some cookies today. Radhika, is hunger getting worse in our community or are we just noticing it more?
It's getting worse.
Okay.
People used to go to the food bank as an emergency. And now they're going to the food bank just to...
For a necessity?
For a necessity, just to survive. And often so that they can keep their housing. They have to decide between food and paying rent.
That's not fair.
And, you know, they're doing everything right.
Yeah.
You know, we found that the number of people that are accessing the food banks that we support in Hamilton is the size of the town of Dundas.
Wow.
Every month.
Oh, my goodness.
Every month. And this is everybody. This is seniors, this is single families, this is children. And what works so great with Food for Kids is that as they help kids over the weekend, we help the families during the week.
Now, I mean, besides the obvious, okay, gas prices skyrocketing, grocery prices huge, why else do you think this has become such a huge issue? Either yourself or Cathy.
Yeah, I mean, I think that there's definitely, because it is rent, it is utilities, it is groceries, it is for us, those families, those situations where they were making ends meet. Just.
Yeah.
And they were at risk of a situation of, you know, having to face food insecurity. And now suddenly they find themselves at that crisis level of hunger. And they can no longer make those ends meet. And like Radhika said, having to make that choice between paying the rent or buying food. And I think of the kids that are in our program that are anywhere from 4 years old to 18 years old. And we've got kids, we've got teenagers that are living couch to couch, that don't have the benefit of that safe and secure home.
Yeah.
And we deliver that bag of food to them at their high school so that on the weekend they have breakfast, they have lunch, they have those snacks because they need us. Our community, our teens in our community need us just as much as the kids do, the younger kids.
It's true, and you know, sometimes they're kind of like the forgotten ones because you know that little kids, you know, need that nutrition to grow, and you know that families need it to support those little kids, but those teenagers, they kind of fall in the middle.
They do, and we have several high schools in our program that are looking for those signs of hunger from the kids that are walking the halls, and they call us, and we register them in our program.
You know, we had a mom at one of the food banks that we support, and what she told them was that she sacrifices her meals so that her kids can have a meal, and she doesn't really mind doing that, but what really hurts her is when the kids ask like why they don't have milk or why they don't have cereal.
Right.
And those kind of things during the week.
Yeah.
And she's trying to kind of hide that from them so that they don't have to experience what she experiences.
Now, I mean, we hear the stories and we, you know, members of the community, we come out, we help as much as we possibly can, and we decorate cookies and we get involved, but how can viewers get involved?
You know, these cookies, they're fun and they put a smile on people's face and they're delicious, but each cookie represents food on the table for somebody, right? It's a simple thing to do. And what I love is that the cookies are sold in Tim Hortons all across the community. So you're supporting the food banks in your community, as well as Food for Kids as well. And so it's this opportunity to do something that's very simple. Just pick up a cookie or pick up the little plushies if you don't eat cookies, and know that that's milk and food and snacks for kids and families.
You're doing an amazing thing for your community. Well, thank you so much to both of you for being here. Of course, we'll have all the information up on our website at chch.com. They're so much better this year than they were last year.
My eyes are
I started putting eyebrows on because I had nothing else to do.